Assalamu alaikum. This is the worm bin which I started with the cocoon of worms in a worm casting, and maybe 50, not even 50, I think about 20-25 worms, something like that. But it was back in September the 9th I started, and today it's 19th of September, 19th of December. So let me show you how it's doing. You can see worms in it. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. So yeah, it's doing all right. Alhamdulillah. I've put some papers and banana peels and some other stuff like kitchen waste in it too. So this is looking light and fluffy right now. I'm gonna add some more to it. So yeah, I'm quite happy. It's not been the ideal weather. I didn't have the ideal condition. I only started with a few worms and some cocoons, and I can see some cocoons here. So alhamdulillah, this is established. So this way we can have small worm bins at home and make our own wormy compost. So what I'm gonna do is to go ahead and give them some more food now. Yeah, you can see the worms. So alhamdulillah. Last time when I started, I didn't have enough time. I had to go back, so I couldn't follow it up. But this time around, this is a very simple setup where I put a container in a bucket, and this is about it. And I'm gonna top it up with some more food for the worms. So that's about it for now. Assalamu alaikum.